it's Trina here. Busy moms, are you concerned about your kids struggling financially as adults? With the way the economy is these days, it can make a mom worry. I know what you're thinking. I can't even get a handle on my own finances. How can I teach my kids? I'm here to tell you it's totally okay. You do not have to be Warren Buffett to teach your kids about money, just like I don't have to be Lance Armstrong to teach my kid to ride a bike. You really are the best person to teach your kids about money, and believe it or not, you can make really significant strides with just 1 hour a day. The changes in the way my 8-year-old thinks about money and saves her money after just a few monthly allowance days has been mind-blowing. So we've got something for you to make kickstarting this money teaching routine really easy. That's why I'm excited to invite you to join our 5-day allowance challenge. During this challenge, we'll show you step-by-step how to start teaching your kids about money. We'll guide you through the process, even if you're new to financial education. So join me and other like-minded parents in teaching our kids how to start using money wisely, so you can be ready to go the first Sunday in April to start your own monthly allowance routine. Let's help our kids build a financially stable future together.